In this video, we're going to be going over the messages descoid as well as the tasks descoid. These two descoids do currently exist in the current user interface, but we've gone ahead and added a lot more features and functionality, and we're happy to introduce them. In the new messages descoid, we've added a new piece of information that shows you how many unread messages you have. That will be highlighted in this blue bubble to the right hand side of the messages label. We can see that there's one unread message. Under the settings cog, we get three options. We can either show all the messages that you've received or just unread ones. Mousing over your message will reveal a quick highlight of some of the information within your message. For this particular message, we can see the name of it, which is 2016 Christmas Post, the date that it was sent, as well as its associated project name. We can also see who the message is from and a quick summary of what the message is. Clicking into the message will do one of two things. It will first mark the message as read. The blue bubble is now removed, and it will expand your message completely so that you can read the entirety of the message. From here on out, you're given two choices and two actionable items. You can either click Go to Message, which will drop you into the current existing enterprise page to the corresponding message, or you can click Reply and directly reply to this message right here on the My Desk page. We can see who it's being sent to, and by default, this is always set to whoever was copied on the original message. So we can go ahead and type thanks and click the send button, and we'll get immediate feedback that our message has been sent, and it'll remove the text box and collapse the message. Now, once that the message has been marked as read, the next time that we do come back, we won't be able to see this message within the pending list. But if we were to set the filtering and the sorting to all, we would be able to see all messages that have been sent or replied to. As with the other descoids, we have the option to view more. Clicking on the View More link will redirect you into the corresponding enterprise page. Moving into the Tasks descoid, we can see that there are two different types of tasks within the Task descoid. Anything without an actionable item is a system-generated task, and in this instance, we can see Review Estimate as a system-generated task. Clicking on Review Estimate will take you into the corresponding task and the corresponding actionable item that you need to take. Checklist Due is a user task. User tasks have the ability to have their status updated as well as the number of hours updated. So for this item, we can see that the status is currently not started, but it has a total of 6 hours already associated to it. We can see when it was received and when this task should have been completed by, and we're already overdue. In order to update the status, we can mouse over the not started, click it, and we can change the status to be in progress. Once you've done that, we'll get immediate feedback that the task status has been updated. We can go back to the same task and we can go ahead and add hours to it. So if we've worked an additional 2 hours on the 21st, we can go ahead and click Add, and it'll append that number of hours to our total hours. This functionality is the same as Enterprise, but the biggest difference is you no longer have to navigate into the task to update any of the statuses or the hour breakdown. You can do it right here from the task descoid. In this video, we've gone over the messages descoid and the ability to reply to messages directly from the descoid, as well as navigating to the messages page. We've also gone over the tasks descoid, the difference between a system-generated task and a user task, and where you can actually update the status of the user task right here from the descoid, as well as adding hours to it. All these items are a step forward for Noosh in enhancing the user experience of the application. Not only are we providing more information in the task descoid as well as the message, we're also allowing you the ability to send messages and update statuses directly from the descoid without having to click into the project page.